Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel Physics, where we actually learn physics. Now, in this lecture, we are going to solve this problem. This is 2.12. Okay, this is from the second chapter, 11th standard. Okay, CBSC. Okay, so let's solve this problem. It's a very simple problem. Over here, only thing is we have to take care of the significant figures. That is what we have to take care about. Otherwise, it's a very simple problem. Okay, now let's look at the question. The mass of a box, okay, the mass of a box measured by a grocer's balance, okay, measured by a grocer's balance is 2.300 kg. Okay, mass of a box is how much? This much. And it is measured by what? Grocer's balance. Okay, now, two gold pieces of masses 20.15 gram and 20.17 gram, okay, are added to the box. They are added to the box. Two questions are there. What is the total mass of the box? And second is, what is the difference in the masses of the pieces to correct significant figures? Okay, so let's solve this. It's a very simple problem. First of all, let's go to the first question, that is total mass. Okay, see here, total mass. So here actually there are three objects. If you observe, one is this box. Okay, this box is the first object. Then the two gold pieces. Okay, these are the two more objects. Okay, so nothing but we have to write here total mass is equal to total mass. Okay, over here let's call this as capital M is equal to, let's say, mass 1 plus mass 2 plus mass 3. Okay, over here M1 is mass of the box, M2 and M3 are what? Nothing but the mass of the gold pieces, 20.15 gram, and here M3 is 20.17 gram. Also M1 is what? You can see mass of the box is 2.300 kg. Okay, now we just have to add all these things. Only thing is, you can see here this is in grams, and here it is kg. So what we will do is we will convert this, actually we will convert this into either grams or kg. Okay, now here just look at one thing. This is 2.300. If you observe this number, there are four significant figures, isn't it? If you observe this number carefully, okay, then it has four significant figures. I will write here 2.300 kg has or should have four significant figures. Okay, now what is significant figure? What is the definition of significant figures? Nothing but the reliable digits and the first uncertain digit. Okay, generally the last one is uncertain. Generally the last one is uncertain, and these are the reliable digits. Okay, so here there we can see that there are four significant figures. Now the question is that correct? The answer is no, this is not correct, because there is something wrong over here with this number and its representation. Here it is written as grocer's balance. So this mass has been measured by grocer's balance. What is a grocer's balance? And how precise that instrument is? Okay, this is what your grocer's balance looks like. Okay, this is how it looks like. You have seen this in all the stores actually. Wherever you go in the grocery shops, you will see this. Okay, now what do they do is, see, generally we keep some objects over here, whatever we want to weigh. Okay, suppose we keep something here, and then suppose like we go to the store and we say, bhaiya ji pav kilo do, bhaiya ji aadha kilo do. Okay, so what he will do, for example, it's aadha kilo, then he will put here aadha kilo, right? There are actually some blocks with him, right? So he will put that block over here of aadha kg. Okay, and he will put the objects over here. Okay, whichever has to be measured. Okay, so like it's chana, watana, for example, anything. Okay, anything, any object, okay, any grocery actually material. Okay, so we keep all the objects here, and here some masses are kept. Suppose we want 2 kg. So what we'll do is we'll keep a big one, that is the 2 kg mass over here. Okay, and then we will balance this grocer's balance. Okay, once this is balanced, we stop. Okay, and we remove then this and we give it to the customers. Okay, so that is nothing but the grocer's balance. Okay, now look at what we have got here. Using the grocer's balance, the mass of the box is 2.300 kg. Look at the precision here. It has been resolved up to third decimal place. Okay, it has been resolved up to third decimal place. But do you think that the grocer shop, okay, or any grocer over there, okay, any storekeeper over there, do you think that he will measure this mass, okay, measure this mass up to third decimal place? Okay, if you go there, generally what he will say, he will say, नहीं भैया जी, ये तो 2 किलो और कुछ 300-400 ग्राम लग रहा है, ऐसा बोलेगा वो, isn't it? He will say something like this. ये 2 किलो है और शायद से 300-350 ग्राम है, थोड़ा आगे है. ओके, सो इसका मतलब क्या है? What do we mean by this is, this 2.300 representation is not a right representation. Okay, there is something wrong with this, because the grocer will not be able to give us this much precise measurement with his instrument. Okay, he can only say it's it's 2 kg. That means ये 2 किलो है भाई, ये 2 किलो है, 200 ग्राम है, 2000 ग्राम है. He will say नहीं, ये 2100 ग्राम है. Okay, he will say something like this. He won't be able to say it is 2100 2 किलो और 135 ग्राम. Okay, he will not be able to say this. Okay, so that means what? This third and fourth digit, they are always uncertain with this. This third and fourth one are always uncertain, or most of the times they are uncertain. So that means these are all uncertain. Okay, so that's why actually the actual value of this is 2300, which can be written as 2.3 into 10 raised to 3 kg. Okay, that is how we can write it actually. Okay, so here we can see there are only 2 significant figures. This is what I am trying to tell you, that over here, even though this number looks like as if it has got 4 significant figures, but it does not have 4. It has only got how much? Only got 2 significant figures.